Welcome to Learning English with Leanne. Help with writing. This video will help you to write an opinion paragraph. The best pet, cats or dogs? For good writing, you need good structure. So here is our paragraph structure. We must have these three different things in this order for a good paragraph. This helps your reader understand your writing better. So the best pet, cats or dogs? So my first sentence, my topic sentence, will be my opinion. So here's an example for you of my topic sentence. So this tells us what this paragraph is going to write about. How dogs are better pets. So then my supporting statements. So why do I think this? So my first reason I think this is because that we talk about dogs become your friend and they are great company. This is a good supporting statement, but we need to give some details to make it stronger. So how do they do this? So here's an example about when we are sad, and then I added one also for when we are happy. So these two sentences show me how dogs are your friend and how they are good company. So then we need another supporting statement, another reason why. So we're building a strong paragraph. So my next reason why is we're talking about how dogs make great security guards. Okay, this is a good supporting statement, but again, I need to give some details to make this stronger. So my next sentence then tells the reader, how are they good security guards? Making a strong statement. We need another supporting statement. Why do we think dogs? Finally, dogs are good for your health. My supporting statement number 3. But again, I should be giving some details and how do they do this? So then I talk about how they need playtime, exercise, you will be more active. So all of these things are showing and giving details about how they are good for my health. You could add another supporting statement if you like, but we're going to do our concluding sentence now. So you can see number 3, restate the opinion and summarize why. So firstly, restate your opinion. Dogs make great pets. So it's maybe a little bit different from my topic sentence, but I'm still saying they're really good. And then I'm summarizing my supporting statements. Why did I say this? So you can see here that we have the first one, we have friendship. That was my supporting statement number 1, which they become your friend and are great company. Then safety. So this is for my supporting statement that talks about being great security guards. And then the last one was health, but I've said active lifestyle. So I don't want to repeat again. So I'm saying the same thing, but a little bit differently. Also, you'll see in this piece of writing, when we're introducing our supporting statements. So our first supporting statement we introduced with to begin with. Our second one, additionally. And our last supporting statement we used finally. And then to show the end of our writing, to conclude. So these are really good for the reader to let them know what's coming next. And it gives your writing really good flow. Thanks for watching. Please like, share with your friends and subscribe for more videos. To subscribe, press the button in the corner. Thank you.